So you want to pay off your credit card debt using YNAB. Follow these 4 steps. The first one is to budget a portion of your income for your needs. Basic needs are your food, clothing, and shelter. Include transportation, education, and healthcare if they are necessary to maintain your source of income. In YNAB, set up your budget categorized into 3: needs, true expenses, and emergency fund. Under needs, put rent or home, food, groceries, transportation, clothing, etc. This also includes your monthly bills and any regular expenses. So here in my YNAB, I have added the bills category, annual bills, my needs, where my groceries, transportation expenses are all added. So if we want to pay off our credit card debt, we need to first budget our money or income for our needs, basic needs. Second is to budget for your non-monthly or unexpected expenses, also known as true expenses. This is the most likely cause of debt, those unexpected bills or payments that you don't have budget for. In YNAB, these are the non-monthly expenses that you think will come up or came up before put you to debt. Examples are emergency medical bills or car maintenance, any annual membership that you may have forgotten to budget for but still need. Putting aside money for variable expenses is like preparing for an emergency that you're sure will happen but doesn't know when it will happen. Third one is to start or continue building up your emergency fund. This will prevent getting into more debt. You can put this on a separate category or in YNAB together with other budget types like savings or for funding your investment. An emergency fund serves as your financial cushion during significant life changes such as losing your job or relocating to a different country. Only when you have done the first 3 steps, then we budget the remainder for paying off credit card debt. For example, I have accumulated a significant credit card balance that I can pay all at once. I will add the credit card account to YNAB and add the current balance. You need to know the minimum payment for this card by checking with the bank or from your online banking account. So we add here, click on a link. Maybe I just choose the name and select credit card. Let's say I have a balance of $2,000. And the next option is you can pay it off over time or pay it all at once. Since this time I cannot pay it all at once, so I will select pay it off over time. And it will create like a target amount, or if you want to pay off on a specific date, or you want to set a schedule for paying off a specific amount every month until the balance is paid off. So for this time, I will select a specific amount. For example, I know I can pay off 150 every month, so I will set it something like this. So it calculates automatically when it will be paid off. So it will take 14 months. And it will create another budget category for the credit card payment. And done. Once we created the credit card account here that we need to pay off, we go back to the budget window and you will see the created credit card category here. And we will need to assign the monthly amount that we have set. Then we can pay 150 for this month, and then the next month should be set the same amount and then pay it off every month. Once you have set up your credit card account and target, repeat this budgeting every month or paycheck and pay off the credit card debt until it goes down to 0. In an extreme scenario that you don't have enough cash left for paying you the monthly minimum payment, you will need to look hard and scrutinize every expense that you have right now. We will need to be decisive if you really want to pay off this credit card debt. In basic terms, spend less or you need to earn more. Spend less, meaning if there are any subscriptions that you can discontinue for now, or less eating out. Any unnecessary expense that you can stop will be additional payment for your debt. Don't watch Prime videos or don't order from Amazon for the last 3 months, then you can cancel that Prime subscription and get back $2.99 for your debt payment. Or maybe it's time to downsize. For earning more or secondary income, can you get a second job or any side hustles that you can try and earn a bit of money? And it will be also an additional cash for paying off debt. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there that explores different side hustles based on your skills and passion, like this one. Or you can